Morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily What Sold video. These are the cards that sold on March 1st. As you can see on the screen, 19 orders on eBay, $177. It's actually a little bit lower. There were some orders that I already showed yesterday, and then one $1.99 order that was canceled, so down into the 170 mark. Go ahead and get started here. This is Minnesota, Iota. Comic greetings from Iota, Minnesota. Vintage linen. And this, I think, is going overseas. Germany, maybe. United Kingdom. It's definitely not going back to Iota, Minnesota, that's for sure. $9.39 for that card. Next, Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, National Tower. This is continental size. This National Tower was dismantled. I believe the park dismantled it to give more of the natural view of Gettysburg Battlefield. I believe this was privately owned and then maybe sold to the National Park System, but yeah, since it wasn't there back in 1863, they decided to take it down. But anyway, I got $9.99 out of it. This is Asbury Park, New Jersey. Wesley Lake Boat Ride, 1930s. Asbury Park used to do much better than it has been for me. We're talking years ago. It was really good. But seemed to have softened recently. $6.99 still for that card, and I will still buy Asbury Park cards whenever I find them. Benton Harbor, Michigan, 1908 View Eastman Springs. And this is $5.99 for that card. Goodrich Transit Company, SS Christopher Columbus Steamship. And this was $5. I don't remember where I got it. Avalon Bay, Santa Catalina Island, California. Real photo. And this is looks like a Frasher's photo. And if you have room in a title, make sure you put in Frasher's. $10 best offer for that card. I'm going to go here someday. Someday I'll go to Catalina Island. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, Holiday Inn Travel Park, Campground Aerial View. Oh, yeah, campground there on the beach. And sold for $6.99. What's the back look like? Looks like I've had this for 7+ years. Yeah, $6.99. Next, sold another trade card, Arbuckle Brothers Coffee Trade Card, Central Africa Map Country Scenes. Got the big stack of these at the DC Big Flea, probably within the last year. I think probably paid 70-80 cents each. And got $14.99. Next, Las Vegas, Nevada, 1960s Fremont Street View, Mint Lucky Casino. There's the Mint. And there's the Lucky Casino. And sold for $6.29 on a best offer. St. Ignace Miles Hiawathaland Motor Court. Okay. Another old card with a hideous red background, probably 7 or 8 years. Been listed on eBay. $4 best offer. Valentine's Day Girls Waiting on Boy. Artist signed clap saddle. There's her signature. And got $9.99 for that card. Next is a neat postcard. Northern Berks County, Pennsylvania, Man on Horse Brass Marching Band. Wish I could read where exactly this is. I'm just going off of the handwritten information on the back. Kind of looks like an asshole, but it's just me. This is what I went off right here, so it could be really anywhere. $13.49. Yeah. This is Connecticut, women representing Connecticut, Langsdorff silk applique. Langsdorff, I'm not sure if he was the publisher or the artist. I think it's publisher. And back turn of the century, they did all these females that represented a certain state, and these ones happen to have silk applied. So it's a silk dress, silk pendant, and a silk hat. And I got $13.99. These used to sell for $30+. They just don't anymore. The ones without the silk will sell a little bit lower. $13.99 for that card. Looks like this one did go for $20-some. Probably because of that last one, I saw the creases on the face. So that one was probably damaged. This one wasn't. So $22 for this New Jersey woman riding crop silk applique. So same buyer bought both of those. Next, Morgantown, West Virginia, Grand Street, South Park, circa 1913 view. And that sold for $14.99. Next, Norwalk, Connecticut, Hobson Post Road Coffee House Restaurant interior. So like an advertising card for this restaurant, $7.99. And Humor Black Cat eyeing fish and bird. Looks like gonna be lots of doing. Anyway, guy bought 2 of these. He bought one by accident, so I canceled an order, and it was for $1.99. So that's it for sales. Kind of a lower sales day, but that's fine. Just a reminder that this weekend coming up, Habit of Grace, Maryland, postcard and stamp show. Probably 10 to 12 postcard dealers, maybe 1 stamp dealer, and they have a live auction afterwards. If you're in the area, it's definitely a good thing to go to. I am not going. I just don't feel like driving. I'm not vending, and I have a lot of postcards I need to list, so I'm not going to go to this one. I still may, because it's also an hour and a half away. Hagerstown next weekend. Probably will go to that, but it's only going to be 1 to 2 postcard dealers. March 12th, 11th and 12th, Plano, Texas, and Dulles, Virginia, also next weekend. I won't be going to that one. I want to someday, but not this weekend, or next weekend. So that's it. Make sure you get on to postal history, or postcard history, and take a look at the articles. If you haven't already signed up to get notifications, do that. It's a great resource. Okay, that's it. Hope you all have a great day of sales.